Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a propeller. This valuable item is crucial for crafting important machines in your game. The sole way to acquire one is through fishing, a process that requires a bit of preparation and patience. Propellers are considered a rare find, so be ready for an exciting hunt as you cast your line into the waters. Before you can begin your quest for a propeller, you will need to prepare your fishing gear. First, head to your workbench and craft a sturdy wooden fishing rod. This simple tool only requires 10 pieces of wood to create. For an improved chance at rare items, including the propeller, consider making some fishing bait. Each bait costs 3 carats, a small investment for potentially greater rewards. With your fishing rod and optional bait ready, it is time to go fishing. Use the purple portal on your island to travel to Propeller Island. Once there, find the fish pond located to the left of the crop and seed vendors. Equip your fishing rod, cast your line into the water, and patiently wait for bubbles to appear. When you see them, click again to reel in your catch, hoping for a propeller. To maximize your chances of reeling in a propeller, always use bait when fishing. Bait greatly increases your luck and the probability of obtaining rare items. Remember, propellers are a legendary rarity, meaning they do not appear on every cast. It might take anywhere from 5 to 40 minutes of continuous fishing. Stay patient and persistent. Your efforts will eventually be rewarded with this valuable item.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.